Hey, what's up YouTube? So I got a pretty quick tutorial video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you how to make a TikTok or Instagram story visual for your song or your beat. So we're going to start with a normal 16 by 9 visual that we made for YouTube here. If you haven't seen my video on how you can make these, you can check that out. I'll put the link here. So what we're going to do to get started is we're just going to hit export video and we're going to select TikTok from here. And we're going to make sure to rename the project. I usually just keep my name about the same but put TT at the end of the name just for TikTok. We're going to click OK and it's going to give you this warning saying that it's a different aspect ratio, and we're just going to click yes. So that's going to change the aspect ratio of our project. But you're going to notice it looks a bit weird, so we're actually going to go back and we're going to cancel the export, but the project will remain the same size. And what I usually do is I go to the HUD text layer and I click it off. I just delete it, and then I usually add the text back right on the Instagram story or right on the TikTok. I just add the little text feature with the name of the beat. Next thing you can do is on the background image, since it's skinnier, you can adjust the width of it, or the position rather, to how you'd like it set up. So I'll have it about there on this one. And then next thing you'll notice is that the polar and the image are kind of out of the frame. So we're going to go to the image tab here and we're going to lower the size of it. I usually go to about this first line here. You can see there's like the 5 lines. I usually go to about the first one, maybe a bit before, like there. And then for this polar, I just reduce the radius until it matches the size of my image. Alright. And I think I want the polar to be more of like a blue purpley kind of color. Something like that right there. And there you have it. That's how you make a visual for your Instagram stories or your TikTok for your beats or your songs. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped you guys out. Please make sure to subscribe for more and like the video. Peace.